Betting on horse and dog races can involve various types of bets, each offering different levels of risk and potential reward. Here are some common ways to bet on these races. Straight bets: win. You bet on which horse or dog will finish first. Place: you bet on a horse or dog to finish either first or second. Show: you bet on a horse or dog to finish in the top 3 positions. Exotic bets: Exacta. You pick 2 horses or dogs to finish first and second in exact order. Quinella, similar to Exacta, but the order doesn't matter. You pick 2 horses or dogs to finish first and second in any order. Trifecta. You pick 3 horses or dogs to finish first, second, and third in exact order. Superfecta. Similar to Trifecta, but you pick 4 horses or dogs to finish first, second, third, and fourth in exact order. Combination bets: daily double. You pick the winners of 2 consecutive races. Pick 3, pick 4, pick 6. You pick the winners of 3, 4, or 6 consecutive races, respectively. Other types each way common in horse racing: you place a win bet and a place bet on the same horse. If the horse wins, both bets pay off. If it places, usually top 2 or 3, only the place bet pays. Across the board. A combination of win, place, and show bets on one horse. If the horse wins, all 3 bets pay off. If it places, the place and show bets pay. If it shows, only the show bet pays. Factors to consider: odds. Understanding the odds and payouts associated with each type of bet. Form and performance. Analyzing the past performances of horses or dogs. Track conditions. Weather, track surface, and other environmental factors can influence race outcomes. Jockey, trainer, reputation, and past success rates of the jockey and trainer. Before placing any bets, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the rules and terminology specific to the race you're betting on. Many tracks and betting platforms also offer guides and resources to help newcomers understand the intricacies of betting on races.